Today we'll talk about how to update drivers for your keyboard in Windows 10. Go to File Explorer. Right-click on the This PC icon and select Manage. Go to Device Manager. Find the Keyboards section. Find your keyboard. Right-click on it and select Properties. Go to the Driver tab and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for updated driver software. Close all applications and save all data. That's it. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and check out another video about how to update your computer mouse drivers on this channel. See you soon.